Well, David, this evening I talked with Oregon's Attorney General Ellen Rosenblum, who is in Washington, D.C. now. She's been a big abortion access supporter and explained to me what's at stake when it comes to mifepristone.
We have strong laws that protect our providers and our patients. And I am here with you today in this fight to keep it that way.
Attorney General Ellen Rosenblum on the steps of the United States Supreme Court Tuesday morning defending abortion as essential health care and the abortion pill as a key part of that care.
Without access, there is no freedom.
This message as the Supreme Court justices heard oral arguments on a case that could significantly restrict access to a commonly used abortion drug called mifepristone. The origins of the case following the FDA's loosening of some restrictions on the drug.
In 2021, they were loosened to permit telehealth, meaning that you didn't have to actually go to a pharmacy or go to a doctor, but that you could actually get a prescription through telehealth. You still had to get a prescription, had to get it by a doctor, but you didn't have to actually appear in person.
The group of anti-abortion doctors who brought the lawsuit claim the FDA didn't adequately evaluate the drug's safety risks and are looking to limit access.
We are asking the Supreme Court to hold the FDA accountable for violating the law to the detriment of women's health.
But the FDA calls mifepristone safe and effective and says it has been over the last 2 decades.
Millions of Americans have used mifepristone to safely end their pregnancies.
As of Tuesday night, abortion access supporters, including Attorney General Rosenblum, say they're hopeful after justices raised questions whether the plaintiffs even had legal standing.
That ended up being a big part of the arguments today, was whether they even had the right to bring those actions, because these are doctors and associations that do not perform abortions.
Attorney General Rosenblum told me that even if the Supreme Court rules in favor of the FDA allowing access to mifepristone, there are other legal challenges ahead with abortion. As for this case, we can expect a decision by this summer. We'll be sure to keep you updated. David?
Yeah, a lot of big cases on the docket for the Supreme Court this session. Thank you, Alma.